Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have something very interesting. Have you ever been right in middle of something very important with Claude, getting real work done, and then it just stops? The rate limit hit? That's frustration. This is completely avoidable. And the next few minutes, I'll show you how. I'm going to suggest you a few habits that you can follow, and it will be very helpful. Habit 1. Edit, don't stack. Most people, when they want to add something to a message, just send a follow. That's a wrong move. Every new message forces Claude to reread entire conversation from scratch every single time. Instead, go back, hit edit on your last message, add what you wanted to say, and resubmit. Same result, half the tokens. This one habit alone will change your Claude experience. Habit 2. New chat every 15 messages. Context compounds. Yes, by the time you are 30 messages deep, Claude is burning thousands of tokens just reading your history before it even starts answering you. Think of it like a laptop with too many tabs open. It slows down everything, right? The fix? Around 15 messages, start a fresh chat. Habit 3. Batch into one. Here is one most people never think about. If you have 3 separate questions, don't send 3 messages. Combine them into one. 3 messages means 3 full context loads. One message with 3 requests, still one context load. One message always. Habit 4. Turn off burners. Search and artifacts are turned on by default in many plans. And both of them silently add hundreds, sometimes thousands of tokens to every single message. Whether you need them or not, turn them off. Toggle them back only when you actually need them. This one setting can change and can save a huge amount of your daily allowance. Habit 5. Pace your day. Rate limits often reset on a rolling window, not at midnight. So, one 4-hour sprint is the worst thing that you can do. 3 90-minute sessions, morning, afternoon, evening, will give you more total output, better thinking, and you will almost never hit a wall. Don't sprint, pace. Alright. Those 5 habits, whatever I have discussed right now, right, they will probably cut down your token usage by 40 to 60% right away. But there is another layer most people completely miss, and it's about which Claude you are actually talking to. Yes, the model selection. Here is the thing. Claude is not only one model, it's 3, and they have completely different costs. Most people are defaulting to the most expensive one for the tasks that actually needs the cheapest ones, right? So that's like hiring a surgeon to make a sandwich. Haiku, that's the first. It costs around 500 tokens per message. This is sufficient for your daily work. Quick answers, the grammar checks, the formatting, brainstorming, simple rewrites. This is fast, cheap, and honestly great at most of your everyday tasks. Smart users are on Haiku about 80% of the time. Second is Sonnet. This is your real work engine. Around 2000 tokens per message. Coding, writing, analysis, document review, and anything multi-step goes nice here. This is where 80% of your serious work should live. Opus, it costs around 8000 tokens per message. Reserve it for only the hardest 5% of what you do. Deep research, hard logic, synthesizing multiple long documents, complex strategy. Think of it like calling a specialist consultant. You want them for hard stuff, not for every little task. I'm sure these inputs will be very handy and helpful to you. And next I'm coming to memory lane. Haiku for drafts, sonnets for real good work. Opus is only for the hard stuff. Now, here is how you make all of this automatic. You are not thinking about every single session. Go to Claude memory. Yes, go into the Claude's memory settings and write your role, your preferred tone, your language, your rules. Something like, I am a content strategist, respond in British English, be direct, no M dashes, all this. Claude loads that into every conversation automatically. You write it once, it runs forever. You write it once, it runs forever. Projects is the next one. If you have files you refer to constantly, the brand guidelines, the reference documents, style guides, upload them to a project. Claude caches them. Every new chat in the project has access to those files without you re-uploading anything. Upload once, reference forever. CLAUDE.md. And for the developers in the room, create a CLAUDE.md file in your project note. Put your tech stack, your rules, your tone, and things to avoid. Claude reads it at the start of every session. Write it once, and you never have to re-explain yourself again. So, the people who never hit rate limits are not using Claude less. They are using it smarter. 5 habits, 3 model choices, 1 setup session. That's it. If this helped you, please subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be very happy to answer them. And thank you very much.